library today.
All right, so I just got back from my Lib app training for my new job as a librarian, and turns out there's a whole, suite inside of EdTech, makes sense, that is dedicated to library service kind of software and apps. And so my next kind of task and sort of for the rest of the day, I will be going through and setting up things like my LibCal, which, it just handles scheduling. So anytime a student needs like a research consultation or a professor, they'll, sign up with me through that link. It's also the place where I will be scheduling, events and programming, all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of nice. I thought I was gonna have to use like, Microsoft stuff, but we have our own. And then there's also something called research guides or lib guides, which is where I'll be writing and creating content. So for example, a professor has a specific project that they know their students need help. I can make these lib guides for their specific projects. I can make it for their whole class, or I can make ones on just different topics and in interest areas that I think the campus might want some help and guides on. And then the last thing is there's this very cool chat program. And so on my campus, using Lib Answers, I basically will have a chat interface profile, and we will be taking shifts. So that way when students literally chat with us, it's not an AI or anything, it's me sitting there on my Lib Answers software answering their questions, and of course it all gets logged and dated in something called Lib Insights. So that's pretty cool. And now I have loads more trainings and tutorials to get through and to get ready.